want you hearing me chat up the thing them. We can't find it. Yeah, I'm ready. I don't take like a while if you boil it. Alright guys, now I'm gonna make some pumpkin soup. Chicken foot, we're gonna make some soup, and I have some pumpkin. Oof. One whole pot. There. Alright guys, I'm back. Ready, boil out. Alright, and then after I'm gonna put the chicken, it's a chicken bone and chicken neck. We're gonna add it to it. Alright, so yeah, I just put some pimento too guys. So I put pimento, garlic, chicken feet, chicken foot, pumpkin, and then boil it for about half an hour, and then we're gonna put the chicken neck and the piece of chicken. Alright guys, I have some dasheen. My sister gave me some dasheen. Guys, I'm gonna peel them and wash them off. Alright, you know dasheen peel already. And up here I have one breadfruit, boiling breadfruit, piece of renta. Alright, so I'm gonna peel them and then I'm gonna put them in the pot. But just before I do that guys, I have the chicken neck and piece of chicken, and the back part of the chicken, another piece, and the neck part, and some more chicken neck. And now I'm just gonna add it to the pot. Okay, I'll let this boil for about 30 more minutes, and then I'm gonna peel all the food and put them in there. So I have few cups of corn flour. We're gonna make some cornmeal dumpling. So we add some flour. We're gonna add some cornmeal. You can measure it guys with something like that. So say me add 2 cups of flour. You're gonna put like about maybe 3/4 cup of cornmeal. If you want more, you can put a cup, but that's good. And I'm gonna add a little bit of salt. Add some salt to this guys, and then I'm gonna use some warm water. Okay. So just gonna mix it up like that, and then put the warm water inside. Alright guys, I have some dasheen. I'm gonna put them in so they can boil out, and then I'm gonna peel the yam and the breadfruit last. Alright guys, I have some afro yam, and I'm gonna put it this way. I need it for them change color guys. And I'm gonna let this boil down now for another, say, 15-20 minutes. Then I'm gonna add the breadfruit and then the dumplings. Alright guys, so this is how the soup is looking so far. Alright, we're gonna add some breadfruit here. We're just gonna cut them up. We're gonna put them in, and we're gonna put the dumplings, and that's it. Alright guys, so I put the dumplings in, breadfruit, so basically I'm adding 2 cups of scotch bonnet pepper times scallion. That's it. Alright guys, this is it. We're almost done. Sorry, yeah. Go use it. Almost one.